This is tropical paradise. This is you going to tropical paradise. And this is what happens if you don't go to Fabutan. So come down to Fabutan at 550 Fennell Street or call 905-318-9800. Remember, your first tan is complimentary.
Welcome back, Bananagans. This next challenge is all about the joys of surface tension. So what is surface tension, you may ask? Well, have you ever noticed water beating on a leaf or insects skipping across the water? Or oil and vinegar dressing just won't stay mixed? These are all manifestations of surface tension. Water beads out of the tap is because the droplets adhere to the faucet until they have gained enough mass that the surface tension can no longer hold onto it. Or in simpler terms, the water sticks to the faucet until it can't hold on anymore. Then it just falls. Our contestant's goal is to place as many drops of water onto the surface of a penny. If it weren't for surface tension, this would be impossible. So basically, be in awe. They will have the opportunity to add selected variables to their experiment, which can change the outcome for the better or worse. It's all up to you to predict who you think made the right choice. Our budding scientists, here are your materials. All right? Hop to it, guys.
Never lose.
I win it.
Play for keeps.
1, 2.
One, two.
Guys, you guys are shaky.
16.
You guys smokers?
17,
Yeah.
18,
Yeah?
For better for worse.
19, 20, 21,
Oh, check out this
22.
penny over here.
23.
23 was just too many. How you doing?
I'm counting. It's like 10, 11, 12, 12.
10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Ran out of pennies.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
I think you can only get 20, I think. You're 21.
I got like 19 on this one.
You got 19 on that one?
In my head, in my mind's eye.
4,
1,
Oh.
7, 8, 9, 11, 12,
Are you going to keep going or?
Well, I think I'm done. It's spilled everywhere.
Oh.
21, 22, 23, 24.
Oh. All
That was
right.
a close one.
That was intense.
The contestant who wins the crowds will be awarded 1 point, and the contestant who makes the correct scientific choice will be awarded 2 points. Ready, audience? Vote now. Because our panel of experts know science, sunlight should have won because it has a higher density. So you got the votes from the audience, Greg, but because of your coordination, you win. There you go. There you go. You won this challenge.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Well, I'm sure you guys have all seen the age-old, tried and true Coke in Mentos explosion. Here on Bananagans, we decided to recreate this classic experiment. Here you guys have some different makes of Coke and a bunch of Mentos. The reason that these things explode is both due to the ingredients in the mixtures, in the physical structure of the Mentos. If we were to use fruit flavor Mentos, the results would be not nearly as wicked cool. Anyways, while you guys go and get ready, I'm going to do my own experiment. So while they are gone, let's do our own little experiment. We are going to make a balloon filled with hydrogen. Before we do this, know not to try this at home, as some of the chemicals that we will be using are not very safe. That's why I got these goggles. Now that that is done, let's get to the fun part. You will need some aluminum foil, a glass bottle, got that here, some water, all right, and some sodium hydroxide, which is the Drano. First, you stuff the bottle with little bits of tin foil. So we got them here. Sorry, we got this. Safety first. All right. Stuff in a bottle full of aluminum foil. If you do this at home, make sure mom cleans it up. All right. All right, all right, all right. And let's add a little bit of sodium hydroxide. Grab a funnel here. I like to call it a coffee cup. That's the scientific term. All right, I got my trusty H2O, and for you unscientists, that's water. You can add it. Making a mess. Got a balloon.
Well, mine's better because it's actual Coke.
Well, mine's better because the president himself supports my Coke addiction.
Yeah. Oh. Disappointing. Fucking ready?
And we'll be right back after these commercial breaks.